In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Amazon Prime Video not sending verification code. Let's get started. So if you're not receiving the code, the first thing you should do is double check your phone number or email address. Make sure it's entered correctly and matches the one link to your Amazon account. Even a small mistake can stop the code from being delivered. Next, check your internet connection. If you're expecting an SMS code, make sure your phone has a good signal. If it's an email code, check your internet connection and also look in your spam or junk folder. Sometimes verification emails end up there. Another quick fix is to wait a minute and tap on resend code. Avoid requesting too many codes in a short time, as Amazon may temporarily block further attempts for security reasons. You can also try switching the verification method. For example, if you are using SMS, try email instead or vice versa. This often works when one method is delayed. If the issue continues, log out of your account and log back in, or try using a different device or browser. Updating the Amazon Prime Video app or reinstalling it can also help temporary bugs. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact Amazon support. They can check if there is problem with your account or help you with the verification manually. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.